Hello viewers, welcome to Babai's Kitchen. My name is Chef.Sankar Balamudi. I am from Hyderabad. Past 15 years I am working in this industry as a chef in different countries, like worked in before Hyderabad, then I moved to Seychelles, then I worked to Dubai, and I come to Kuwait today. Today I'm going to show you a nice healthy salad that's called quinoa salad. Quinoa is basically plant based millets. Quinoa has high proteins, lots of fiber, rich in protein, lots of fiber, and is completely gluten free. Today I'm going to show you quinoa chaat. For quinoa chaat we need white quinoa, some cumin powder, salt, olive oil, white pepper powder, and chaat masala. Here we have a green coriander, onions, green apple, avocado, one piece of green lemon, tomatoes. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make quinoa chaat. Now for quinoa chaat, we boil the water first to boil the quinoas like a rice. We add a little bit of oil so that it will not stick while boiling. Around 15 to 20 minutes we boil the quinoa and then we strain, and then we'll make the chaat. So now the quinoa is boiled, we switch off the stove. Okay, we will strain the water in a pot. Okay, we keep aside. Oh, and the quinoa is boiled now. So the quinoa is boiled. While it's getting cold, we cut the vegetables and we do the next process. So first we cut the apples, green apple. We cut it to chop. The same way we cut onion. Then we cut the tomato. Better we remove the seeds, the tomato seeds, and we cut only the tomato. And then we cut the avocado. Now we scoop up the avocado. We chop the avocado. I cut the lemon. Okay. So now I have the ingredients. I have chopped avocado, chopped tomato, chopped green apple, chopped coriander, and chopped onions. Okay, I'm going to mix the salad now. The quinoa is cold now. So I put the quinoa here, the boiled quinoa, nicely done. Now I add the chopped avocados and then the chopped tomato, the chopped green apples. It gives you a nice taste and also it's very crunchy. Some onions to taste and chopped coriander to give a nice aroma of the salad. Also I use a little bit of olive oil to mix the salad. Squeeze some lemon to give a little bit of punch inside. Around 1 lemon is enough for 4 people. Just careful while you squeezing the lemon, the seed should not come. And a little bit of pepper powder to your taste. If you need a little bit more spicy, just add a little bit more. Some salt some chaat masala because it is quinoa chaat, so you give a nice chaat masala. And little bit of cumin powder to give a nice flavor to your salad. Okay, a little bit. Now you mix the salad very careful. So almost the quinoa chaat is ready, so you can ready to eat this. You can eat, also you can keep in your fridge under 4 degrees temperature, and also you can eat after tomorrow. So now we are going to present this salad in a nice bowl. Now the salad is ready. I just taste it whether everything is okay or not. It's very nice. Now I will present in a bowl. I have a nice bowl to present.